hurricane barrel. It is rapidly intensifying. That's a worst case scenario. That's just what it is on this channel. I just want to give you the facts about what a storm's doing and what we can expect next. You can see it here. It is what I've been talking about over the last couple of months are those hot pockets in the water just feeding these systems, and that's what we're going to see throughout the season, and we are seeing it now. Winds right now 160 kilometers an hour or 100 miles per hour. That's what we have now. It is going to continue to strengthen. There's really no reason for it not to strengthen that I could find out there at this point. So it is going to roll in as a very dangerous hurricane. So the direct hit for some of our islands as a major, powerful, most likely Category 4 hurricane that will be moving in. Finish those preparations today. Here's the broader picture, but this is the immediate concern where we need to finish those preparations. Here's the track on this. So here's Jamaica, here's Belize, for example, here's Cuba, Haiti, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico. This will be south of Puerto Rico. It'll be south of Puerto Rico, not to say we can't get some rain, but south of Puerto Rico on Tuesday. But we have the hurricane warnings up, tropical storm warnings up. I'm going to break it down island by island because there's a flooding as we go forward the next couple days. But my friends in Jamaica and the Cayman Islands, we're now in action mode for the potential of a hurricane. What does that mean? We need to start making the preps. Jamaica, we start making the preparations. We could have a hurricane moving in on Wednesday. Cayman Islands, the potential of hurricane winds. We'll see how the track goes. It may stay a little to the south. It may come right in. But action mode now, Cayman Islands and Jamaica. So thank you for just sharing this information and getting the word out. And this the core, this one's it's starting to get bigger since it's rapidly intensifying. Then very close to Jamaica, as I mentioned on Wednesday. I'm hoping the core is just to the south and then very close to the Cayman Islands. That's why we're taking those hurricane preparations now to be safe. And then yes, down the road, watching Honduras, Belize, and the Yucatan. This is way down the road, we'll see. And then there should be some sort of curve either toward by Wednesday, the potential of a hurricane. Now in Jamaica and the Cayman Islands, we're taking the hurricane preps. I'm hoping it stays to the south, the core of it, the middle of it stays to the south, but it's going to be way too close and it could give us a direct hit in Jamaica and in the Cayman Islands. There's high pressure keeping everything kind of moving west-northwest. The European model showing that second time we get into Wednesday, that's when we could have a hurricane as a direct hit into Jamaica, or the core of the hurricane would stay just to the south, but that's why we need to start making those preps. And then this here is showing another tropical storm trying to move into some of the same locations you see here Wednesday into Thursday, either tropical storm conditions or hurricane conditions for the Cayman Islands. And then eventually this area will move toward the Yucatan. That's going on down the road. Isolated showers and storms the next couple of days. Same thing in the Cayman Islands, of course, getting higher. So hurricane impacts are moving in. It's not a great scenario. It is what it is. But the one good thing is we do have time with these things. They're not like a tornado or something that may just pop up. We've been watching this and we have today together to finish those preparations. If you know someone who lives alone, please check on them. Storms are scary enough when you're with people yet alone. So it'd be great to try to do this together. Watching down the road, Jamaica, Cayman Islands. We're taking the hurricane preps because hey, we want to be safe. Let's take those hurricane preps and then we'll fine tune that forecast. That second system trying to move in midweek into the eastern.
It's a dangerous hurricane. It's already a Category 4 hurricane even before entering the Caribbean basin. Now, that is something to be concerned about, especially so early in the hurricane season. We're not even done with the first month of the hurricane season, and we already have a major hurricane that's just on the doorsteps of the Caribbean. This, of course, could translate to a major Category 4 or even 5 hurricane moving into the Central Caribbean. And you know, when it gets there, we're talking about Jamaica being on the brink of that. So we're seeing a system that is moving toward the Central Caribbean that could pose a really direct threat to the island of Jamaica and of course all our citizens as a major hurricane. That's something to be concerned about, but something to ensure that we prepare for, because as the system moves, it is picking up some more speed and strength because it is a very fast developing system. However, when it gets into the Caribbean, the forecast is that it will be weakening a little bit before passing Jamaica. It could pass us off the coastline, or it could pass us by moving directly over us. So either one could happen. Most likely it would happen on Wednesday based on how it's moving at this time. We in the Meteorological Service will continue to monitor the movement, the progress, the development of Hurricane Beryl, and we will keep you updated as soon as any change takes place.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Jake, man. So now it's your boy Vibrant Jake. I'm back in this video. So today, the most ESS storm will come, right? The most ESS Hurricane Beryl is coming to Jamaica. It's actually straight to Jamaica at this time. So when this video posted, is already we under our hurricane watch right now. Yeah, so prepare right now. Right now, baby, I'm gonna prepare the cars. Just long way from just there work all ago. You know, longer than that come. Me have forward back, guys. Too many banging, guys. Sorry about that. So, we are more fresh now. You wanna join me? You wanna join me? Ladies, you wanna join me? Yeah, so prepare for the hurricane will come. Guys, so prepare for this hurricane. This strong category 4 hurricane. To just check. Yes. Yeah, so come safely. We got everything good. Yes, so. See, I'll check the lights them now. Check lights them so tomorrow Tuesday. But it's video record today is Monday. So by Tuesday, by tomorrow, the earth, the enter the Caribbean, Eastern Caribbean, I think I south side Jamaica. But by this video, when I edit this video, I'm gonna put in the weather thing in it. So we show say, yeah, it's time we're on a hurricane watch. So I'll tell you like them now. So if you like my work, so stay with me. Checking if all lights is working. Oh, working. That's great. Look at that. Look at that. Burl, if you come, I light gone. Yeah, we have light. So Burl, you can take your light here. You can take your light. Yes, so light check. That one check. So put that one in the back of your box. And then it's a 1 hour. Check for the next one in now. Check on this. Up. Alright. Right. Yes. This is right. Anything. Right. We have put everything on charging still in case. Because charge up still. But in case more light, more charging. Yeah. Alright, so we have two more what it use. See, two more what it using. Check yeah. Okay. Yes guys, so showing the light them. That's those are the lights. See? Them that are the light for Hurricane Beryl. Because it's threatening to Jamaica, as you say, when that hurricane watch right now. So I pray who live in a flood prone area or some local areas now so good landslide area. We want to pray, want God want to pray for them. And if you live in a landslide area or a area wanna so safe, want pray advice to move from the area because there's a this not gonna be nice. So remember, if you live in a sea area, the sea area like me, not safe. If you live in a something there area like landslide area, like a good neither. If you live in a some if you live in a what you call it area there, landslide or whatever area, just know if you get off of them there. Yeah. So yes, I want to know that first now. Right now we are preparing for this hurricane right now. I am preparing for this hurricane very well. Yeah, so I don't want to think it because hurricane is a category 4. Guys, I'm gonna have something to show you. Something to show you. God, when you feel like say when the boy has something go back. Yeah, so I'm showing you something right about.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.